All right, we are out here in Legacy Pines of Isanti, and we're going to take a walk through the Virginia, which is a split entry home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, really nice open foyer. You've got the garage entrance there, nice closet, steps leading up to the dining room, kitchen, and living room. And then down the hallway here, we've got a full bath, 1 bedroom. Evidently, this buyer has girls because both of the second and third bedrooms are both pink. And then here's the owner's suite. See, we've got a recessed ceiling, which is kind of sharp. Owner's bath, 3/4 bath. Good sized walk-in closet here. We are building another one of these just down the road on Bel Air Boulevard, and we have other lots available. Four split entries, and here is the lower level. This is obviously what we would call a lookout basement. So the rough plan has 2 bedrooms, 1 over here and 1 over there. And then we've got a rough in for a bath to the left of the furnace. Over here would be laundry and more mechanicals. And this one has a really deep lot. Not all these lots are this deep, but we have several that back up to the same group of trees, and behind there is Isanti Brook, which connects to the Rum River. This home also has a 3-car garage, which doesn't have any lights on right now, so it's kind of dark, but there is a 3-car, good-sized garage on this home. So as I mentioned, we've got other lots and other split entry home floor plans, but the Virginia by far gives you some of the greatest space and the open floor plan.